Hello guys, my name is Adriyachi and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit and delete a post. So let's get started. For editing and deleting a post, we need a Laravel package known as Laravel Collective. So let's install it really quick. First, run it in CMD and Atom. Just run composer require Laravel Collective /html, and this will take a little time for install. Till that we can register its providers in the config app.php. Is it? Yeah, here in the providers array, and now we can register the areas. Okay, now that is done. Now let's move on to the routes and create a new route. So we can start from here. Route get request /post /id /edit and pass it to the post controller at edit. We will have a name for that, will be post dot edit, and we need a modifier to auth. Okay, now let's move on to the post controller. Below in the edit function, we'll create a if condition to check whether the authenticated user matches the user who created the post. So auth user id equal to for that we'll create a new variable known as post and post find by id and equal to post user id. It's not equal to, if not equal to, and if not equal to the post user id, then we will abort it if 404 error. Now we need another if condition to check whether the post is not null. Post equal to null. We'll do the same here. If the above condition is true, then we will return view, that is post dot edit with post, and we also need the category, so with category we can call it out there, categories to category all. Now that's it. Now let's create the view. So inside post, create a new view which is edit.blade.php. Let's extend our layout app, create a section, content, open a container, having a core a small 6 with core small offset 3. Now here we will just copy the code of index.blade.php, copy the form and success message, copy it, just paste it there, and we will use Laravel collective instead of the normal form. So now it's installed, so just erase it, not blade, bang bang form open, close the bang bang, and out here we'll do the same, bang bang of close. Okay, we don't want the CSRF field because this will create a CSRF field automatically. So in the open we'll create a new array, or it's edit, so we'll change the open to model, and first we'll give the post, then we will open an array, and method will be put. Okay, now, and we also need files place true. Files implies true is same of the enc type equal to multipart slash form data. Now we can allow the user to, or we can just edit the index.blade.php so that the user can click on the link and go to the edit page. So I'll do by opening layouts app.blade.php and copy this drop down code and paste it to the index.blade.php and change the show post, paste it there, change the li to a div. We don't want the logout function, only 2 required or 3, do that later. Show post, post dot show with post id, and here it's a little tricky because, oh no, it's not tricky because we have to only code that page. So like the same, post dot edit and post id, change the post to edit post. Now let's open it in localhost 1000, go to post. Now you can see that show post and edit post. See, if I click show post, you can see the post. I change the image and the edit post category. Let's check it real quick. Category, categories as category, and I think the error is here only. Okay, let's check whether, oh yeah, the error is here, sorry. It's my post controller. Okay, now by default the post title and post name is, post body is not shown, so it's because we don't have an id. So give a ID like title, and in text area it will be body. Try reloading. Yeah, this is because we are using Laravel collective to open form model and just using the normal HTML to create a new input. So we will erase this and create a form input using Laravel collective. So first one will be the name and ID of the input, which is title, and second will be the default value, which is null, because the default value is getting from here, so we don't want to define it individually. So the next will be the class and everything. So start with the class, which is form control, and second I want is placeholder. It will be enter your title. If you refresh, you can see the default post. So if you, yeah, that's it. Okay, now let's move the text area and do the same for that. Form text area, body, null, class will be form control, and place will be in the your post body. That is, now we have to select the category which the post have selected already. So down here we can give a condition like condition whether to check whether it matches. So category ID equal to, oh man, why on, and that's another bug, man. Don't mind it, it's because my package has some problem. Atom package, okay, leave that, and your ID equal to post category ID, then select that, else nothing. Okay, we go to 1. You can see the Laravel 5.4 is default selected. Now we can move on to the function. First we create the route. So create a route with put request, not get or post, because here we are having a method of put request, and same also be here, and ID edit will be post controller at update, name will be post dot update, and middleware be auth. So here we didn't define the action, so we route Blaze will be inside array post dot store and post id. Post dot store is not refined. Just update, not store. Okay, so update. Now it worked fine. You can see that form have the action of this and have a enc type, multipart slash form data and method of post, but it works like put. Don't get confused about that. Now in here, first we will copy all from the store, because update and store is actually a little bit same, and we will redirect back instead of going to slash post back from where it came. And now here I will change new post to find post with id, and in here you can see the validation unique. If I click, it will give me the title has already been taken. For that, there is in Laravel validation there is certain things. So unique post, the first one is the table name, and if we give second one, it is a column name. So the column name is title, and the third one is an exception. So except this particular column. So we can do it by $id to get this, but now it's not getting the number from this variable. So for that we will remove the single quotes and wrap everything with double quotes. That's it. Now for the image validation, I will delete the old image if there is one. So give a if condition with post image not equal to null, and cut it and paste after the if condition, and out here I will type storage no, not svg, man, storage, this is small, okay, storage delete post image. Now what this actually do is go to storage and delete this post, but how do we know where is this located? So for that, inside the config file system.php we have to change under local root, change the storage path to public path, and change the app to images slash. That's everything. Now stop the PHP artisan serve and run it again. Okay, now I will give it a try as a test. Some text edited, post, success. That's it. Now you can see that nothing happened to my old image, so I will try adding a new image. So I will add image, post. Now you can see that it's not deleted. I think stop PHP artisan serve again, then run PHP artisan config hash, which will delete all the config file cache. Now run the PHP artisan serve again, and I think, yeah, that's another problem. Use storage. Just delete that one manually. and will add it post. Now you can see that my old image is deleted and the new one is only there. So that's all for editing. Now we will move on to the next function, which is delete. So let's start by adding a route here and copy this one, paste it down there, change the put to delete. There is another method known as delete, so change it to delete, and here destroy. Okay, now we can start by the function itself. So what we have to do is first find the post, found. Next is to delete the image if there is one. So if $post image not equal to null, we'll do the same, copy that, paste it out here, then we will delete the post. Before that we need a if condition to check whether it's not cheating, and we need the if condition here too, so we'll copy this first and paste it here too. Not null, but okay, let's copy it once again over here. Okay, now it's done. Now we will session flash success, post was successfully deleted. Can return redirect back from where it came. Okay, now here we can add one more for deleting. Just copy, paste it there, delete post. Because the route is having a delete method, we cannot use a anchor tag to just go to that URL. So we need a form. So we'll open a form. Form open. The method will be delete and just form close, and I will give a ID which will be delete, and here the route will be this. Yes, cut and paste it here, and change the stuff, and now on click document.get element by ID, delete, and we will submit it. Okay, let's give it a try. What do you post? Okay, I think where is it? Here it is. We don't want extra array. Yes. Why a box like that? Oh, that's because I deleted that. So what I do is do something like that. Now you should not have any problem. See? Okay. That's okay. We can now go for delete. So I'm going to delete this post. Go and delete. And what's the problem here? Oh, it's not post dot delete, it's post dot delete. Go back and reload. Now delete. That post was successfully deleted. Oh, what a pity. Okay. Yeah. Now let's go to profile. Now we can see only one, and we should have the options here too. So just copy this and home.blade.php. Where is it? Here. Div is post. Okay. That's because we are giving in a wrong panel. So here is where we need to give that. Okay, there we go. We have with that. No problem. So now we have edit and delete function without any problem facing. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You can always contact me in Twitter, Facebook or the contact form which is on my own website.